For dolls and fairy tales, please like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
There once was a monkey who lived in a tree. He loved to swing and jump and be free. One day he saw a fairy with wings so bright. He thought she was the most beautiful sight. He wanted to impress her and make her his friend. So he asked her to dance with him until the end. She smiled and agreed and said yes. But he stepped on her toes and made a mess. She got angry and cast a spell on him. He turned into a banana and fell from a limb. She laughed and flew away with a grin. He regretted his clumsiness and his sin. He lay on the ground and cried out loud. He wished he could undo what he had done. But the spell was irreversible and he was doomed. He became a snack for a hungry baboon. He wished he could see the fairy once more and apologize for what he had done before. He hoped she would forgive him and lift the curse, and maybe they could be friends or something worse. But the fairy never came back to the tree. She had forgotten about the monkey and his plea. She had found another partner to dance and play. And they lived happily ever after in a faraway bay.